This is Edulastic.com, and I have not used this yet, but I'm looking forward to using it this school year as I've been playing around with it some. It reminds me a little bit of having those questions pre-made for you like you would find with Kahoot, having assignments made for you like you would see in Seesaw. But this option allows you to have assessments that you can create yourself, fully customizable. You can clone another teacher's assignments and customize them to what you need. The best feature with Edulastic is it is free for teachers and students. There is an option to upgrade to premium. Edulastic also connects to your Google Classroom, which is a complete time saver if you've already got your students uploaded into Google Classroom. As you can see, I've already uploaded mine. I don't have any students in it right now, but I've been making assignments and posting them. You will also find that there are already standards loaded. There are South Carolina Common Core and other state standards as well. I'm going to show you how to find an assignment that maybe you want to post. This is your drop down right here. You've got your dashboard, assignments. The insights is where you get to see all of the analysis for your assessments. It automatically provides this for you. With the premium, it does offer more graphs and insights into your data analysis. You can see your item bank and test bank that you've done. You can manage your classes. But if I click on assignments, I've got one that I've already assigned. But if I go right here to new assignment, I can create a test right here, completely customized to what I want. I can go to the library and choose. I already have my settings towards second grade, math, ELA, science, the subjects that I teach. You can clear that as well. You will find that most of the assessments are for math and ELA. I'm going to scroll down here and click on this assignment. It's addition, subtraction within 20, something that we work on throughout the year. I can preview the test items just as if I were a student. And you'll see that students have a scratch pad that they can draw on. They can take that off and then answer as well. So when I put this answer in, I can click play.
9 plus 3 equals.
And it'll read it to me, which is an awesome feature. And then I can click next and go to the next question. If I want to look at the details, I can see all of the questions. I can expand it and it'll show me the answers as well as how many points. So I can change this if I want to. When I go to settings, this is some really cool features that it has. I can change the test type, instructions, how I give credit. I can make this a time test, how many times they're allowed to attempt it. I can turn on whether or not they have a calculator, or if I show a hint. There's accessibility tools, the magnifier, scratch pad. They can skip the question and come back. The keypad, anti-cheating. I can shuffle the items so each student is getting a different question at the same time. I can put a password, making sure that they're completing it all in one sitting. There's also restrictions as far as if they go off of the tab into a different window, that I can block this. It can report it to me. There's also where like I can give this on paper and then manually put the students' responses in. And then of course the performance bands and standard based grading skill are on here as well. I can print this. I can duplicate the test if I want to make changes for maybe a different student who is struggling a little bit more or more advanced. Then I click assign and it's automatically going to go to my Google Classroom students that I've already placed. I can open and close it as well. And then I click assign, and then it will be ready to go. I can watch the students as they take the test. This will show me as the students are answering the questions, if they're getting them correct, if they're getting them incorrect. Standards-based report as well. Whenever I put standards into the test, this is where that will show. And then the settings again, where you can go in and fix them if you want to. So I went ahead and closed that one. I go back to my dashboard. If I click on my class, I can see that I now have 2 assignments. One has been completed, one is in progress. So this is the one that I assigned earlier as I was playing around with it, and I can see obviously no one has taken this yet. I do like the option that you can go through each test as a student. I like the ability to see what the students are seeing, how it's shown to them, and all of the features that are available on Edulastic, especially for it being a free option for teachers. And the auto grading is always a plus. I like that all the data is recorded and can be viewed during a live testing session, or I can actually go back once the test is completed as well. I like the options as far as the test taking, how many times the students can take it. Editing is always great and a wonderful option. And I love how many tests have already been created for me, so I can just go in and customize it to what my students need.